Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you how to take an Amazon FireStick and turn it into a cheap retro gaming stick that can also play some Android games. Let's check it out. So when I say Amazon FireStick, you probably think of streaming Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, Netflix, and more. Yes, it can do all of that, and more. This little thing is awesome because it is powered by a version of Android. So that means it can run some cool stuff like Android games and even RetroArch, so we can do some old school emulators. The FireStick can play up to PSP. So in the box we have a remote, a micro USB cable, an HDMI adapter, the power adapter, some batteries for the remote, and the FireStick itself. Now the cool thing is, right now the FireStick I am using in this video, the 4K Max model, is on sale on Amazon for $35. It's normally $55, so that's $20 off. That's good because you're going to need some other components, and that $20 that you're going to save can go towards those. Here's what you're going to need. There are 4 components to this. The FireStick, I recommend this model because it's the latest and greatest, which means that it has the best stats and you will get the best performance out of it. You also need a USB flash drive. This is where you will store the ROMs and any APKs that you have. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A 2.0 speed drive would work just fine. I would recommend a 128 gig flash drive. You could even get away with a 64 gig flash drive, but I wouldn't go any lower than that, just in case you have some bigger game files. You also need an OTG cable. This cable allows you to plug in the flash drive and also have the FireStick connected to power. Also, a Bluetooth controller. Grab any Bluetooth controller that you have and you can use that. My sturdy 8-bit dough finally died on me, so I will be using this tiny 02 controller by 8-bit dough. I might recommend something bigger though, just in case. So I'm not going to bore you with the initial setup of the FireStick. Just make sure you connect it to Wi-Fi and got all the updates out of the way. Then once you get it all set up, go back to the main screen. Also, I have this running on a separate monitor because the Amazon Ninjas prevent any screen recording on the FireStick itself. So the first step, you're going to go over to the gear icon and then you are going to scroll down to My Fire TV. We are going to turn on developer options. Once you're in My Fire TV, scroll down to About, and then you're going to select the FireStick. I already have developer options turned on, but you are going to select this 8 times and then turn on developer options. Alright, let's start downloading apps. The first app we need to download is Downloader. Go to the app library, then scroll over to all categories. Then scroll down to Utilities and select that. Then select the Downloader app. It's right here at the top. And select Download. After the app downloads, you will see a pop-up that asks you to allow or deny, and you want to hit Allow. Once Downloader is installed, click on the app to open it. You will see the search bar. Click on the search bar and we are going to search for RetroArch. Scroll down the list and you will see the RetroArch logo. Click on that link or the picture itself. From there, it will bring you to the RetroArch site. Scroll down on the site a little bit until you see the hamburger menu on the right. Click on that menu. It will bring up this menu and from there, click on Download. Then you will need to scroll down until just below the Google Play image. And you see that link. Now the version that we want to download is the 32-bit. It will take a minute to download that file. Then you should see the pop-up asking if you want to install it. Click Install, and because we turned on developer options, you can install with no issues. So to eject the flash drive from the FireStick, go to the gear icon or settings, then scroll down to My Fire TV. In that menu, scroll down to the USB drive and select it. Then select Eject USB. Wait for the prompt that it's been successfully ejected in the bottom right corner, and then you can remove it. Now, once you have ejected your flash drive, you can put your flash drive into your computer. You will need to make a folder for the games or ROMs. Name it whatever you want, and then transfer your files over. I've named my folder games. If you have any APK files that maybe you watched my Android games video, then perhaps you have some of the APKs of the games that you want to copy to the flash drive. Then you can install them on your FireStick. Don't forget to eject your flash drive from the computer, and now we can move it back to the FireStick. Now, before we install the APKs on the flash drive, I will show you briefly where to connect your gaming controller. From the main screen, go to the gear icon or settings. In the settings menu, scroll to the middle where it says controller and Bluetooth devices. Select that. In this menu, then select game controllers, and from here, you can pair your gaming controller. Let's go back to the main screen. Now, in order to install the APKs that we just loaded onto that flash drive, we need to download another app on the FireStick. We are going to download this app called File Explorer. After it installs, open the app, and then you will see something similar to this view. Your flash drive is going to be a combo of numbers and letters. The other folder is the internal storage of the FireStick. So click on the flash drive, then I will select the games folder that I just set up. Then scroll down to find all the APKs. Let's click on Vampire Survivors. The screen will pop up asking if you want to install it. Ignore all the craziness and click on Install. Then you will have to click down at the bottom right to install. Now, let's go ahead and open it. The game takes a minute to load, and here we go. Vampire Survivors. The Amazon App Store doesn't have Vampire Survivors. Also, I am sideloading APKs because I could not get the Google Play Store on here, even by sideloading it. There was a problem with the Framework APK, so until I figure that out, oh well. Now, let's go back to the Downloader app, and from here, we will search for the PSP emulator, PPSSPP. When the search results come up, it's a little confusing because you normally want to click on the blue logo. Don't do that because it will take you to the Google Play link, which we can't use. Instead, click the next link that says Download PPSSPP. That will take you to the emulator site where you can download the APK. Once on the site, ppsspp.org, click Download. Scroll down to just below Google Play and click this link. After it downloads, navigate to the bottom and click Install. There we have PPSSPP. Click Allow on the pop-up. Now in the app, it will automatically start on the internal FireStick storage. Click the up arrow at the top left corner so that we can find the flash drive. And from here, just navigate to find your flash drive, then point the app to your PSP folder. Also, just a side note, this little controller, the 02 by 8BitDo, or 8BitDo, however you say it, it's actually held up pretty nicely to all my testing. So, not sure if you want to get this for your main controller, but it is kind of nice to throw in your pocket and have with you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a review of this. So now that you have the basics of how to install APK files on your FireStick, you can have fun with so many options, whether you are playing some of your favorite classic games in RetroArch or playing Android games. Even though the FireStick can only play PSP and below, there are so many games out there that you can enjoy. In my opinion, it gives you a whole new experience on the FireStick, aside from just streaming media. If you can get everything on sale, you're spending less than $60 to get this set up. That's pretty good. So what are your thoughts? Are you going to pick up the Amazon FireStick 4K Max so that you can turn it into a little gaming console? Let me know in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe so that you can get notified when I post another video, and maybe share this video with someone who is interested in retro gaming and Android gaming. Until next time, stay awesome everyone. Go play some games.